Kit 102 series installation instructions for wood or metal posts on level runs. Install tensioning terminal. Install the threaded stud end first. Feed the cable and stud through the end post. Slide the stainless steel washer, smaller for metal post, larger for wood post, onto the threaded stud and start the brass lock nut onto the threads as far as possible by hand. Install swedgeless terminal. Slip the appropriate washer over the body of the pull-lock fitting. Rotate the pull-lock fitting clockwise as you push it onto the cable. Push the pull-lock fitting along the cable and firmly into the hole in your post. While you're holding the pull-lock fitting against the end post, pull the bare end of the cable to remove as much slack in the cable as possible. Cut the cable flush with the hole in the back of the fitting using a cutoff wheel. Press the cap onto the lip of the pull-lock fitting. Tension cables. Return to the threaded stud end post. Insert an 1/8" hex wrench into broached opening on the tip of the stud. Tighten the lock nut with a 7/16" wrench while holding the hex wrench to prevent the stud from turning. Tension all cables to desired amount in sequence, beginning with the center and moving up and down toward the bottom and top. If you have purchased the optional nut cap, press the cap over the lock nut.